हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे आप सब। मैं हूं एकलव्य। बात करें जनरल अवेयरनेस प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट 28 ओपीएससी असिस्टेंट सेक्शन ऑफिसर 2026 के लिए है। यहाँ आपको 20 क्वेश्चन देखने को मिलेगा। आज पर प्रीवियस पैटर्न, डिफिकल्टी लेवल मॉडरेट है। चलिए नेक्स्ट देखते हैं। In March 2026, the Odisha government announced the Sri Jagannath Heritage Corridor Phase 2, which specific structure is being restored to its 12th century architectural glory under this phase. ऑप्शन ए अरुणा स्तंभ, ऑप्शन बी इमार मोट, ऑप्शन सी मेघानंदा पाचेरी, ऑप्शन डी नरेंद्र पुष्करिणी। ऑप्शन बी द करेक्ट आंसर, इमर मोट। चलिए नेक्स्ट। Which Indian state became the first to implement the Universal Basic Income UBI for women under the Mahila Samriddhi 2026 scheme? ऑप्शन ए केरला, ऑप्शन बी तमिलनाडु, ऑप्शन सी ओडिशा, ऑप्शन डी कर्नाटका। ऑप्शन बी द करेक्ट आंसर, तमिलनाडु became the first to implement the Universal Basic Income UBI for women under the Mahila Samriddhi 2026 scheme. चलिए नेक्स्ट। The Operation Meghashakti, conducted by the Indian Air Force in November 2025, was simulation exercise for which of the following? Option A high altitude cloud seeding, option B counter drone operations in urban areas, option C deployment of the S-400 triumph system in the northeast, option D evacuation of civilians from flood hit Odisha. Option C the correct answer, deployment of the S-400 triumph system in the northeast. चलिए नेक्स्ट। Under the new economic policy 2026, the government introduced Green Bonds 3.0. What is the specific target area for the funds raised through these bonds? Option A electric vehicle charging stations, option B hydrogen ready gas pipelines, option C traditional solar panel manufacturing, option D wind energy offshore plants in the Arabian Sea. ऑप्शन बी द करेक्ट आंसर, हाइड्रोजन रेडी गैस पाइपलाइंस। चलिए नेक्स्ट। Which prominent leader of the 1857 revolt from Odisha was captured due to the betrayal of a local zamindar and was hanged in 1858, recently honored with a new memorial in Sambalpur, Hinjan 2026? Option A, Veer Surendra Sai. Option B, Chakhara Khuntia. Option C, Madho Singh. Option D, Dharanidhar Bhuiya. Option C, the correct answer, Madho Singh. चलिए नेक्स्ट। The 2026 Forecast Survey of India pre-release data indicated that which district in Odisha has the highest percentage of very dense forest? ऑप्शन ए कंधमाल, ऑप्शन बी मयूरभंज, ऑप्शन सी गंजाम, ऑप्शन डी केवंझर। ऑप्शन बी द करेक्ट आंसर, मयूरभंज। चलिए नेक्स्ट। Article 324 of the Indian Constitution was recently discussed in the Parliament Feb 2026 regarding which reform? Option A, appointment of the Chief Election Commissioner. Option B, voting rights for non-resident Indians (NRIs). Option C, reduction of voting age to 16. Option D, use of blockchain in EVMs. Option A is the correct answer, appointment of the Chief Election Commissioner. चलिए नेक्स्ट। In December 2025, India successfully flight tested Agni Prime from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Island. What makes this missile different from other Agni series? Option A, it is a liquid fueled intercontinental missile. Option B, it is a canisterized missile with a range of 1000 to 2000 km. Option C, it is the first Agni missile capable of carrying nuclear warheads. Option D, it is designed specifically for anti-satellite missions? Option B is the correct answer. It is a canisterized missile with a range of 1000 to 2000 km. Agni Prime. चलिए नेक्स्ट। ये क्वेश्चन बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है, ध्यान रखें। द COP30 क्लाइमेट समिट scheduled for late 2025 early 2026 focuses on the Belém Declaration. This declaration is primarily related to option A protection of the Amazon rainforest, option B regulation of deep sea mining, option C carbon credits for developing nations, option D ban of single use plastic globally. Option A is the correct answer, protection of the Amazon rainforest. याद रखें, बेलेम डिक्लेरेशन, प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ द अमेजन रेन फॉरेस्ट। चलिए नेक्स्ट। Which committee's recommendation led to the Odisha Panchayat Governance Act 2026 aimed at increasing the financial autonomy of Sarpanch? Option A Balwant Rai Mehta Committee, option B Ashok Dalwai Committee, option C Justice R.K. Patra Committee, option D Mahanti Das Committee. ऑप्शन डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर, महंती दास कमेटी। चलिए नेक्स्ट। व्हाट इज द रैंक ऑफ इंडिया इन द वर्ल्ड प्रेस फ्रीडम इंडेक्स 2026? ऑप्शन ए 161st, ऑप्शन बी 142nd, ऑप्शन सी 150th, ऑप्शन डी 138th। ऑप्शन सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर, 150th। चलिए नेक्स्ट। ये बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है। द हीराकुद रिजर्वर reached its dead storage level in early 2026 due to an unprecedented heat wave. Which river's flow directly determines the water level of this dam? ऑप्शन है ब्राह्मणी, ऑप्शन बी महानदी, ऑप्शन सी बैतरणी, ऑप्शन डी बंशधरा। यहाँ ऑप्शन बी द करेक्ट आंसर महानदी। चलिए नेक्स्ट। In February 2026, the National Quantum Mission (NQM) announced the development of India's first quantum secured communication link between which two cities? Option A Delhi and Chandigarh, option B Bhubaneswar and Cuttack, option C Mumbai and Pune, option D Delhi and Agra. Option D is the correct answer, Delhi and Agra. India's first quantum secured communication link between Delhi and Agra. Option D. चलिए नेक्स्ट। PMSBY प्लस इसका फुल फॉर्म है प्रधानमंत्री सुरक्षा बीमा योजना। द 2026 यूनियन बजट इंट्रोड्यूस्ड PMSBY प्लस। व्हाट इज द प्राइमरी बेनिफिट ऑफ दिस अपग्रेडेड इंश्योरेंस स्कीम? ऑप्शन ए health cover for senior citizens over 80, option B accidental insurance cover increased to 5 lakh, option C life insurance for pets, option D crop insurance for non notified areas. Option B is the correct answer, accidental insurance cover increased to 5 lakh. चलिए नेक्स्ट। Which Odisha district celebrated the GI tag for its Kante Mundi Binjal in late 2025? ऑप्शन ए नयागढ़, ऑप्शन बी कंधमाल, ऑप्शन सी पुरी, ऑप्शन डी जगत सिंहपुर। ऑप्शन ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर, नयागढ़। बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, याद रखें। चलिए नेक्स्ट। Project Kusha, which gained significant funding in the 2025-26 Defense budget refers to India's development of option A, an indigenous aircraft carrier, option B, a long range air defense system LRSAM, option C, stealth fighter jets, option D, nuclear powered submarines. Option B is the correct answer, a long range air defense system. चलिए नेक्स्ट। The V-shaped recovery of the Indian economy post 2024 was largely attributed to pent-up demand. In economic terms, what does pent-up demand mean? Option A, demand created by government subsidies. Option B, a built-up of consumer demand during a period of low spending. Option C, demand for luxury goods only. Option D, demand caused by decrease in population. पेंट ऑफ डिमांड इसका मतलब है ए बिल्ट ऑफ कंज्यूमर डिमांड ड्यूरिंग ए पीरियड ऑफ लो स्पेंडिंग। चलिए इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन थोड़ा देख लेते हैं। दिस रेफर्स टू द फेनोमेनन वेयर कंज्यूमर्स डिले परचेसेस often during a crisis, leading to a sharp surge in spending once the economy stabilizes। ठीक, चलिए नेक्स्ट। Who was the first woman to lead an armed struggle against the British in Odisha, specifically during the Ghumsur uprising? Option A, Ramadevi. Option B, Marathi Chaudhary. Option C, Rani Bhagyavati. Option D, Rani Santi Devi. Option C is the correct answer, Rani Bhagyavati। चलिए नेक्स्ट। The Koel Sunk River confluence in Odisha forms which major river? Option A, Mahanadi. Option B, Brahmani. Option C, Baitarani. Option D, Subarnarekha। Option B is the correct answer, Brahmani। चलिए नेक्स्ट। In April 2026, which country became the 105th member of the International Solar Alliance (ISA)? ऑप्शन ए चाइल, ऑप्शन बी हंगरी, ऑप्शन सी पनामा, ऑप्शन डी सऊदी अरेबिया। Option C is the correct answer. Panama became the 105th member of the International Solar Alliance (ISA). चलिए नेक्स्ट। आज के लिए इतना ही। अगर अच्छा लगे तो लाइक करें। मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में। धन्यवाद।